Good morning, dear hearts. I'm not a body. I wasn't one yesterday. Not one now. Probably won't be one tomorrow. And why am I not a body? Because I'm free. And I'm free of the limitations that a body would impose upon me. And I know that I am free because I am still as God created me. And God did not create bodies. We've said this many times, probably will continue to. So I'm still as God created me. I'm not a body. I'm free. But what I do have is I have a function that God would have me fill. God would have me complete this function. But what is that? In lessons past, we've heard that salvation of the world depends on me. We've also heard that forgiveness is my function as the light of the world. So these are my functions: to bring forgiveness to every mind, to free every mind through salvation. And salvation and freedom indeed are the same. So freedom of the world depends on me. I bring light to every mind through forgiveness because I am the light, and as the light I extend. God is the light. We are extended from God. This is how creation continues to extend. We are the extension of the creation of God. God is the creative source in this universe, and we are part of His desire to extend. Now, the lesson says, I seek a function that would set me free from all the vain illusions of the world. Forgiveness will set me free of all the vain illusions of this world. Realizing I'm not a body and bound by body identity and body thought also sets me free from the illusions of this world. And only the function that God has given me can offer freedom. Salvation can offer freedom. Forgiveness can offer freedom. What the ego wants me to do is to imprison both myself and everyone else. And instead of being expansive as creation is, to contract and to be small and insignificant. That is not a function that God would have me fill. And only this I seek, only what God wants me to fulfill that can offer freedom to everyone. It's not exclusive, remember that. And only the function that God would have me fill, only this do I seek, and only this will I accept as mine. This is another example of the power of denial. Deny anything that is of the ego, accept only what is of God. This is where our freedom lies. This is how we remember our own truth. And this is how we extend what God has given to us, the gifts of God, and how we extend them to include the entire sonship, that everyone and every living thing will know its own freedom and its salvation. Knowing it is not a body, knowing that it is free, and being still, because only in the stillness of the mind do we truly have the ability to connect with creation, with God's mind, and to feel the peace of God flowing through us. The peace of God also sets us free. There are no boundaries. There are no limitations. We are all free within the peace of God. Remember, I want the peace of God. I feel the love of God within me now. God's peace is everything I want. All of this comes together in this review. It is a magnificent joining and weaving of truth for us here, right now. So that's it for today. Short, sweet, I hope. Please like, please share, please subscribe, please pray. And please sign up to attend Jennifer Hadley's Sundays with Spirit at her website, the Power of Love Ministry. So you'll get an email and you can join and hear what I have to say and extend it a little longer than this. And we'll have a meditation as well. So that's it. Be well, be loved. Know that you indeed are loved to an extent you cannot even imagine. So, namaste.